Sir, I have a small doubt. Yesterday, when I creating the vendors, it is showing like I was texted in the group, sir. I
अच्छा, you are
I have
texting.
sent the image in
Yeah,
group.
let me check. Let me check. Uh,
It is showing as posting is only possible with a zero balance correct document.
can you share your screen, Alekya?
Yes, sir.
Go to your SAP screen.
Hello, sir, is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, I can see. Go to SAP screen.
Yes, sir.
Why are you using my company code?
Wait, sir.
Change the company code, no, Alekya?
Screen. Yes, sir.
Enter purchase account. Enter the amount 5,000. Press enter. Press enter. No, no, that's fine. Press enter. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. No amount authorization. Okay, wait. Open another tab. Open another tab. Open another tab. No, no, not from there. Not, oh, yo. Okay. ठीक है. Go to OB57. Yeah, enter your tolerance group. Again, do from the start. Again, do from the start. Slash n करो. Slash n. Close everything. Slash n. Yes. Close this tab. Slash n. Yes. FB60 again. Yes. Again, continue. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Yes. Enter the amount. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Yes, now it's green. Now post. Click on post. Done. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. No need to write below purchase again. Below purchase, don't write any other account. No, vendor में सिर्फ purchase होता है. Yes, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, no problem. Okay. Can you unshare your screen now? Okay. Now we will. mm, yes. Now we will go to posting keys. Okay. Posting keys. What are posting keys? Yes. Ashutosh, read. What are posting keys?
The screen is not visible.
It is not visible.
I think you didn't share it.
Yes. Now.
Yeah, now it's visible.
Mm,
Yeah. Read this.
From where? Simple definition.
Yes.
A simple definition. A posting key is a two-digit code that controls the posting behavior of a line item in an accounting document. Why do you need posting keys? Suppose you are posting a vendor invoice, SAP needs to know first one, the expense account should be debited, the vendor account should be credited. Posting keys tell SAP exactly this. Without posting keys, SAP would not know whether an account should be debit or credited.
Okay, so posting key is a two-digit code that controls the posting behavior of a line item in the accounting document. It's a two-digit code, okay, that controls the posting behavior of the line item. How to see this? Where to see this? Okay, let me go here to teaching sheet. Posting keys. Yes. Okay. Can you see? So there are posting keys. For debit, it is 40, credit it is 50. For vendor, it is 31 credit, 21 debit, customer 01 debit, 11 credit, asset 70, 75. Where do we see this? Where to see this? Let's go to, yes. Now, if you go here, FBL one and only, if you go to any document now, if you go here, double click on the document number, go to this sun and this call up document overview function, two mountains, click on it. Can you see your posting key 3140? Yes or no?
Yes.
So these are the posting keys. It is a two-digit number.
yes.
Yes. So it's a basically a two-digit number, two-digit code that controls the posting behavior of the line item. So there are many codes like this. Yes. So now if you go here, if you go to FBL, DN, open items, execute. I don't want to put the CL account. I don't want this. Execute. I'll open the first document and again I will go here. I will see 40 and 50. Yes or no? 40 is for debit, 50 is for credit. Yes or no? Purchase account debit, cash account credit. Yes, no?
Yes.
These are the posting keys. If you go here below, next document, again if you go, you can see 40 and 50. Yes? If you go below it, if you go here and go execute, you can see 31 and 40. Yes or no? Like that, there are many posting keys which you should know. So which are the posting keys you should know? Every document will have a posting key. Which document, which posting keys you should know? These ones. For posting keys, 40 is for debit, 50 is for credit, vendor credit is 31, vendor debit is 21, customer debit is 01, customer credit is 11, asset debit is 70, and asset credit is 75. This much you should know. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, no, easy or no? This is just a very simple topic. Yes or no? Very simple. Basics. Clear?
Yes.
And you just have to remember the posting keys, and every document has its own two-digit code that you should know. Yes, even if you remember these 8, it is fine. And if you know what are posting queues, that is fine. Yes. So suppose you are posting a vendor invoice, SAP needs to know expense account should be debited, vendor